time of remembrance and reconciliation for those who lost their lives during Second World War. 8 to 9 May. What is remembrance and reconciliation for those who lost their lives during the Second World War? By resolution 22nd November 2004, the UN General Assembly declared 8 and 9 May as a time of remembrance and reconciliation, and while recognizing that member states may have individual days of victory, liberation and commemoration, invited all member states, organizations of the United Nations system, non-governmental organizations and individuals to observe annually either one or both of these days in an appropriate manner to pay tribute to all victims of the Second World War. On 2nd March 2010, by resolution, the General Assembly invited all member states, organizations of the United Nations system, non-governmental organizations and individuals to observe 8 and 9 May in an appropriate manner to pay tribute to all victims of the Second World War. During the commemoration, the Secretary General called the Second World War one of the most epic struggles from freedom and liberation in history, adding that its cost was beyond calculation, beyond comprehension. 40 million civilians dead, 20 million soldiers, nearly half of those in the Soviet Union alone. In resolution, the General Assembly recalled that the Second World War brought untold sorrow to humankind, particularly in Europe, Asia, Africa, the Pacific, and other parts of the world. It underlined the progresses made since the end of the Second World War in overcome its legacy and promote reconciliation. International and regional cooperation and democratic values, human rights and fundamental freedoms, in particular through the United Nations and the establishment of regional and sub-regional organizations and other appropriate frameworks, Thank you.